Introducing the Kinisi Pro, a sit harness made in Wales by DMM and designed in collaboration with Treeimagineers. The harness is available in 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large. Features of the harness include single-piece aluminium forward D hardware that is compatible with either 1 or 2 knotted bridges in various lengths. Aluminium side rings, adjustable floating forward D riser webbing, and slots for a non-PPE upper assembly. A double adjustable aluminium waist buckle, and single adjustable aluminium leg buckles. Adjustable leg elastics, and adjustable rear elastics. Removable and washable waist padding and leg padding. A rear restraint or chainsaw lanyard attachment point that is easy to locate and can move from side to side. And also the unique webbing stoppers that allow the user to customize the webbing length. The gear brackets, 10mm and 5mm holes will accommodate the entire range of DMM accessories. To learn more about the Kinisi Pro, visit our website at dmmwales.com.